In your Clinic Manager account, you can create, store, and manage records about radiology orders and images. There are two appropriate items in the system menus for these purposes: radiology orders and radiology images. To create a new record about radiology order, click the radiology order item in the patient summary on the left, or select the radiology order from the patient summary drop-down list at the top. What you see here is the list of already created radiology orders in the system. To add a new one, click the New button above the list. On the displayed page, you should indicate the date of radiology order and the end date when this order should be ready. These fields are always pre-populated with the default values, where order date is the today's date and the perform by date is the next date. But you can change these dates anytime by clicking the small arrow next to the field and selecting the appropriate date. Next, select the radiology test type from the drop-down list that should be conducted. Enter the name of order and any additional instructions if needed. Indicate the name of the doctor who has ordered this radiology test. You can also add the name of the disease diagnosed. To do this, click the Add button in the Diagnosis section. In the Patient Diagnosis pop-up window, you can find the appropriate diagnosis. You can select it either from the patient's diagnosis list or search for the appropriate one in the All Diagnosis list. Just switch the radio button and click the Find button. As far as the list of patient diagnoses stored in the system is too big, you can always look for the appropriate diagnosis using the Look For field. Just type in the appropriate name or part of it or even the code number and click the Find button. The searching results will appear in the table below. To go back to the list of all diagnoses, click the Clear button. To select the diagnosis, just tick the checkbox next to the appropriate diagnosis and click the Select button. Adding the name of disease to the radiology order means that you are conducting radiology test in the course of treatment. When you are done, click the Save button. Your new record for the patient radiology order will automatically save under the patient radiology orders list in the system. It will appear in the list and will be highlighted with the gray color for your convenience. You can edit or remove any of the records from the list at any time by clicking the appropriate item next to the record. For more information about how to use Clinic Manager and how to add radiology images to the system, view our other tutorials.